What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this video is sponsored by Elegance. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. This video is all about doing the fast fall galaxy design, and we're pretty much gonna use every single glitter in the new Cozy Up to Fall collection, except for one. So we're gonna use 5 glitters, which is pretty cool. And I love this technique because you can create that really cool galaxy design, and it's so fast, it's so easy. Starting off with a black base, I was using black tie here. You can use the black tie buttercream if you want to, but in this case I was using the color gel, and then I'm just smacking on Storm Chaser, and that is what's gonna give that dark galaxy look. And now this is the fun part. So we're gonna use pretty much all the glitters, and we're gonna use the block brush from my signature nail art kit, and we're gonna start creating random shapes on the nail. And this first glitter maybe doesn't seem like it does anything, but it does. It creates a little bit more depth. And then we are moving on to the next glitter and just following that first shape that we did on the nails. Moving on to the next glitter, and guess what? We're gonna continue on with the same shape on the different nails. I think you can see what's going on here. I am not curing in between all of these layers, so I was only curing the Storm Chaser, the base glitter, and everything after that I just mix into one mushy awesome galaxy mix. And this glitter, it actually looks a little bit more silver in the container, but it's more like goldish in reality. Now moving on to one step and encapsulating everything. And here's when kind of the magic happens. You get that super cool depth, and you can really see the glitters working together under the It's so yummy to look at. So just cleansing off the nails, doing your normal shape work. My favorite file to use for shaping is the Lexi 100/180 file. We are going to buff the nails, of course. We want a smooth surface. And now, yeah, of course, wiping the nails. Very important. Get all that dust out. And now we're moving on to my basic nail art prep. So what I do is that I take one step and I apply a thin layer over every nail, cure it, and then I wipe the nails, I buff it, and then wipe it one more time. So you don't have to wipe the nails after that first layer. You can leave the tacky layer and work into that, or you can do as I do here and just remove everything and buff the surface up. Now we are moving on to some nail art. I mean, you could leave it like this, of course. This is just to show you that this could be used as a really pretty background, or as it is. Here I'm using the white gel paint and my stripey brush. This pretty much speaks for itself, but one tip that I can give you when it comes to painting straight lines is that if you are a little bit shaky, breathe in, and as you breathe out, you paint that straight line, and it will actually help the body to relax. So that is probably my best advice when it comes to shaky straight lines that you don't want to be shaky. One thing I can tell you is that it's very important to cure more than less. So if you paint a line, then just go ahead and cure that, paint a couple of more lines, and then cure that. I am clumsy, so I do have to cure often, because if I don't, I'm definitely going to smear everything out. Here I'm just going in with a dotting tool. I think this is the smallest one, number 1, also from Elegance. And adding dots just makes your design look so much more complicated. And here you can see what it looks like when it's matte. You could actually leave it matte. I mean, you put flat matte on and then cleanse it, and then it's matte, and that will look amazing as well. I really do love this look, but I know you would probably start to cry if I don't add shine to this. And I would say, seriously, I would cry as well, because look at this. You can see all the depth coming out, the glitter, how they're working together, and it's just the prettiest thing ever. So applying the super shiny, curing, and wiping, of course. And here you have the final result. So as you could tell, I mean, how fast was this Galaxy design? And it actually, well, personally, I think it really does look like Galaxy. And yeah, I adore this look. You can paint whatever you want on top of this. This is just an example, but these are, I would say, fairly easy to do, like the lines and everything. So it's a good salon type of design. This amazing collection is now available at lightelegance.com and with all our distributors. So you better go and check it out, because these glitters are just breathtaking. I love fall colors and fall glitters. This is definitely my jam. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to follow me on my social media, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to Light Elegance channel as well, of course. Love you guys so much, and talk to you soon. Bye.